A woman may not want a lover but may yet want a child. Women are biologically sensitive to high pitched noises so that they can hear their offspring even when they are asleep. The female is most easily won by the male, who most strongly excites her sexual instincts. Women feel safe with a man that shows up. Women take longer to fall in love, but will love harder as well. Women will fall for a man who makes effort to make them smile. Women hate it when their lover leaves in the middle of conversation. A woman in love will laugh at your jokes. A woman will fall in love with a partner who is responsible and caring. Women adore confidence in their lover. Women are attracted to men who are passionate and successful. A woman wants to feel secure and protected in relationship. An emotional connection is important for a woman to fall in love. Women love it when you make an effort to surprise them. Women love men who respect them. Women love a man that can make her laugh. Women love to be spoiled and showered with attention. Women want you to be a leader, not a follower. Women love men who do not take them for granted. In marriage life, women love a true family man.